Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on DELL XPS 13. To do it, you can click on three icons right here in the bottom right corner of the screen and then move the slider either to the left or to the right in order to set the volume level that you like. And the other way to do it is by using the function keys, which are F2 to decrease your sound level, F3 to increase it, and F1 to mute the speaker. And if you want to, and if these buttons don't work for you, you'll first have to unlock function keys by pressing F1 button with escape button. Right now I disabled them, but to enable them again I'll use this same combination once again, and as you can see it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.